In this video, I'm going to explain to you my thoughts on the future of smartphones from the perspective of an investor. Welcome to this video about the future of smartphones. If you want to watch a review of these phones, please check out some of my fellow YouTubers such as MKBHD, SuperSaf or Unbox Therapy who do an outstanding job reviewing these gadgets. In this video, I will focus more on how I look at smartphones from an investor's perspective. Let's talk about the history of smartphones. First, mobile phones were quite large. Then they got competitively smaller and smaller until in recent years, people started using them to watch videos and browse websites. So the demand became for bigger screens and better specs, and the phones got bigger again. In recent years, the chips got better, the quality of cameras improved, and are now hardly distinguishable from DSLR cameras. And, most importantly, the battery life started lasting much longer. When Steve Jobs announced the iPhone 1 in 2007, the world didn't yet understand what was about to happen, what kind of revolution with smartphones would be possible. This was the first time where the internet and mobile devices merged and offered a beautiful user experience. Since 2007, many other gadgets were replaced by the smartphone, including the phone, the camera, the calendar, and the notepad. In 2018 alone, 1.56 billion smartphones were sold globally, proving how in demand an one device does all piece of technology actually is. Fast forward to today, I'm holding the latest phone by Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and in the other hand, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Two phones with top-notch specifications. But the fact is, technology is always evolving, and I feel that in recent years we haven't seen enough new innovation in the smartphone device space. All the major brands are adding new features, but still it seems there is somewhat of a stall, which makes me ask, are we going to use smartphones in 10 years from now? Here are some thoughts on how I believe things will change. In general, people adapt to new situations and then look for new ways to become more efficient and more advanced. One of the features that still needs improvement is battery charging. While my battery usually lasts for a full day, my phone still has to connect to a cord in order to charge, and it takes about an hour. It would be nice to have a phone that lasts for 2 to 3 days and only needs to be charged for about 10 to 15 minutes, ideally wirelessly. This could mean that as long as you are inside a building, your device is charging. My next topic is voice. Yes, I believe that in the very near future we will be giving voice commands to many of our devices. This could be ordering groceries, turning on and off the lights, or the music, or asking Google Assistant to put something in my calendar. With the recent introduction of the new AirPods by Apple that support Siri, or the new earbuds that come along with the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, this future is imminent. Interestingly, these earphones are chargeable by the newly introduced function of reversed charging, usually on the back of the phone. Last but not least, I believe that it will take longer than 10 years to fully remove the smartphones from our lives. The main reason being that there are some tasks that are still significantly easier done on a screen, especially on the go. This could be a basic Google search, sending an email, doing some business research, or even just watching a movie. Eventually, I believe, we'll all have an ecosystem of devices that will help us navigate through life. On the go, we'll have a smartphone, at work, a desktop, at home, a voice-activated smart home device, and a few other devices distributed along the way. A fully connected ecosystem of devices. Like I said, people adapt to new situations, and that includes both consumers and creators. Tech companies will need to continue updating the capabilities of smart devices to keep up with the continually evolving needs and expectations of modern consumers. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end of this video. I'm really curious to hear if you agree with my thoughts, and if you disagree, please make sure you leave a comment below, send me an email or WhatsApp. I'm really curious to hear from you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.